What are the causes of this bee acne? Sit too much. You go surely get crocro. No very. I just speak pidgin English if you don't know what that is.
Yeah, I'm his little baddie. Yeah, I'm his little boo thing. And yeah, I got that fatty.
Hello beautiful people, hope you're all having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Akimbule, and today's video is a skincare video, also a juicy girl stuff. We're going to be talking about how to get rid of butt acne. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you like it here. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. That will mean a lot to me. And if you're not new, thanks for being here again. Love you so much. We're going to be talking about how to get rid of butt acne, why you have butt acne, and what to do. We're also going to be making the products to get rid of acne. Okay, so now let's get into the video. First of all, what is butt acne? Butt acne are actually not acne. They are clogged pores, excess oil, dead skin cell, and bacteria that are inside the skin. They are trapped inside, which is called folliculitis, butt breakouts. We won't be using that word, but we are going to be using B. I hope you understand. So what are the causes of this butt acne? What are the causes of this bee acne? Okay, first of all, sitting too much. If your job requires you to sit too much, you go surely get crocro, no verse. Or you go just dey stand up once in a while, they do exercise, or they stand there attend to your clients. I just speak pidgin English if you don't know what that is. But if your job requires you to sit too much, I think you just have to stand and don't rest your bee on the chair too much, so it won't heat and the pores won't be clogged inside. Sitting too much can make things worse, which causes irritation. The next causes of this bee acne is not taking your shower after exercise. You have to make sure you freshen up, even our face as well. If you start sweating when working out or after working out, you have to make sure you wash your face, or better still, just have your shower. Make sure you wash. If not, it will cause breakouts. You are using skincare products, you are working out, you are sweating, and you don't clean your face. You just make that sweat dry with the AC. It's going to break out. Same as down there. It's going to cause bee acne. Next cause is wearing tight clothes, like tight pants, wearing your swimsuit for long. So because of this butt acne, now I will not wear my sexy shower gown anymore. No, maybe you should just work on it. You shouldn't wear it all the time, or you shouldn't wear it for a very long time. You have to look for ways to prevent this and get rid of this. Nothing to be shy about. We have acne. I also have this acne. Yes, I also have this acne. It is normal, it is natural. You wear tight clothes, I wear tight clothes as well. Best for you not to wear these tight clothes, especially when they are wet. Other causes of this bee acne is when you pop the pimples. I think it's best you don't pop the pimples, same as the ones on your face. You just leave it that way. You don't pop it, so it will lead to dark spots. So many bumps, so many red and dark spots. Don't pop it, just leave it that way and use natural alternative, which we are about to share right now.
So guys, let's get into our DIY. These are the ingredients I'll be using. I'm using more of natural ingredients. As you can see, I have oil, I have shea butter, I have Vaseline, I have a scrub, I have a sugar scrub, carotone, mycelic acid, and now I am putting my scrub into a cup. Powder, and I'll be applying my almond oil, 2 spoons of my almond oil into that cup. Next, I'll be adding my orange salt scrub since I don't have orange or lemon, and my carotone, spot remover carotone. The carotone is actually optional, but I just need it to clear hyperpigmentation since it contains hydroquinone. Then I'll be going in with my mycelic acid. I'll be applying 3 to 2 drops, and I'll be applying my turmeric as well. Snake oil is also optional, but I'll be using it because it's moisturizing. The snake oil has so many skin benefits. It fights skin issues as wrinkle, green veins, stretch marks, so I'll be using it. So here is all our ingredients in the cup, looking like soup, stew, egusi soup, and we're going to stir all together. I'm just going to stir all together, turning it into a paste. Then I will add my salt. I am making this for like 3 days, like a 1 week scrub for myself. I'll keep stirring it to mix all together. This will be enough for me for like a week. I'm going to apply it on my hand. I'll be using my hand as an example for you. Just apply it all over your hand. Make sure you massage it into your hand for a few minutes. And then you get your glove scrub. If you don't have a glove scrub, you can just use your hand. This glove scrub is really hard. It is very good for scrubbing. You just have to go slow in a circular motion because it's really hard. It's very good for scrubbing. So I'm just going to use it to scrub there and clean. Then I'll apply my moisturizer. You can use the Blue Sea Vaseline moisturizer, but I'll be using my Avila moisturizer because it feels soft. You can use any moisturizing lotion of your choice, either the Blue Sea Vaseline moisturizer, but I'll be using my Avila moisturizer. I'm just going to massage it into my skin, and that is that for our DIY video. I hope you find it entertaining. I hope you find it educating. Stay tuned for more video, and let's get back into our video.
Get rid of this acne. You can use a toner. There is this white merit or merit white toner. I've never used it before, but according to research, I heard it works a lot for acne and peeling dry skin. It's very effective, and you have to be careful when using this product. It also works for peeling dark knuckle, and also silic acid helps to get rid of both acne and knuckle as well. I just got one new silic acid. I'll recommend the original. You can get the original product. I'll put a picture of this right here. I'm going to make a DIY to get rid of this acne. Alternative includes turmeric, salt, lemon, making it a scrub, coconut oil, almond oil. If you don't have almond oil, you can just use coconut oil. You get your sugar scrub, you get your salt scrub, and I'm going to be using this Vit Gold cocoa scrub to get rid of this bulk acne. There are so many DIYs, there are so many ways to get rid of this, and if you have more idea, please leave it in the comments below. You are also educating me, we are educating each other. Please leave it in the comments below if you have any idea, or if you have tried any products that works. Another cause is ingrown hair. Don't have to be shy. Tretinoid cream also helps to get rid if mixed with moisturizer. I've never used it before. The picture here of the tretinoid tube I'm talking about to get rid of this, but you should mix it with a moisturizer because it is very active. Silic acid alone works for this acne. You just have to leave it for a few minutes and then scrub it with your scrub. If you don't have a scrub, you can get a brush or that sponge scrub to brush it up. As a lady, even if you don't have this acne, I would advise you to incorporate this into your skincare routine. Make sure you scrub down there, you wash the dead skin cell. You have a skincare routine for your face, your armpits, your underarm, your thigh, and your... You don't have to do it all the time. At least you can do this 3 times a week or 4 times a week. Okay, I know it is not easy. I'm also trying to keep up with this. It is called self-love. Make sure you have a routine for your face, for your underarm, for your thighs, and just your entire body. It is self-love. Okay, nobody is going to love you more than you love yourself. This mixture we just made can also work for your inner thighs and your underarm. Just make sure you do this and you are consistent. Just make sure you focus on the pigmented area. Acne are just mild infection that leads to red bumps, spots, and pimples. I hope you find this video helpful. Please, if you have any idea, don't forget to share with us in the comment section. We are all learning. Don't keep it to yourself. I'm going to be checking the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much. I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at LizzyAkindele. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you share with friends. Hope to see you in more of my videos. Bye.